right, I'm going to show you like the best deal ever. I just bought this. This is a Hero 13 GoPro Black camera, right? And if you go to Costco or you look anywhere else, they're about $400. But check this out. $259.99 on the Amazon for this camera. And it comes with a 128 gigabyte MicroSD SanDisk Extreme card. It also comes in this package here with, you know, a couple different things. It's got, you know, a USB-C to USB-A. No, I think it's USB-C to USB-C. Let's see. USB-C, USB-C, right? And it has a couple of these little connector things. You know, not much. I mean, it doesn't come with a bunch, but it does come with 2 batteries. So, you know, if you guys are GoPro enthusiasts, I gotta tell you, man, this is the best deal that you're gonna find for $259.99. So I would go check it out. I'm gonna put the link in this video, and you guys can go get it. Peace out.